Hey guys, welcome back to another video on the Blade Dragon channel. But this is a new series that I'm going to do on my channel now. I figured out how to make a video on my PlayStation. So we're going to go ahead and do a FIFA 21 career mode. Now look at from the title, we're doing a career mode with, yes, Wolverhampton Wanderers, the Portuguese team of England. So we're going to go ahead and make career mode, and let's get into the gameplay. Okay, so let's go over and quickly just how do I do it? Download. Oh no, you don't want to make a career mode, don't you? I am so dumb. There's going to be no audio apart from my voice in this game because I don't want to get any copyright strikes. I can't mute other music and blah blah blah. We're going to go download these updates and let's get straight into the Wolverhampton career mode. I'm going to go manage the career mode and it's going to load me in. I'm just going to go this one. I'm going to call myself Blade Dragon. Whilst I'm doing all this manager stuff, whilst I'm customizing my avatar, go ahead and subscribe, like the video, and comment down below what series you want to do, what videos you want me to make in the future. Because obviously I've postponed my two other series due to terrible graphics. However, if we can just get one series going like every week, that would be absolutely OP. We are gonna play one game in this episode. Don't want it to be too long, otherwise it will be super duper boring. However, I do want to bring out different videos on Wednesday, because this will be a Saturday thing. However, we have now got our character right here, looking snazzy. And we're going to go ahead, I don't care what this is. We're going to go ahead and find Wolverhampton Wanderers. Here they are. 4.5 star team. They're doing quite good in the league, I believe. They're in this place. So, I don't know what place they're in, but yeah. I was originally going to go something like Sheffield United, something like that, but I'm going to start with Wolves. Their board expectation is quite hard. Medium, low, medium, low, medium. The youth development is going to be hard because they're quite a good team. But, yeah. I don't know if they're going to try and get us to, like, what's it called? I don't know what it's called. Yeah, I don't know what it's called. I'm just going to get my Google up here just in case I need to find any transfers I want to make. I don't know how good this club is. I don't know if they're good, I don't know if they're bad. I'm hoping they're good. I'm sure they are good if they're quite high in the league. So I'm sorting out my setup. Okay. We're going to go on strict negotiations. No financial takeover. Are they in? No, they're not in here. Okay, we're not in any European competition. This is where they are. Wolves. They got absolutely thrashed by Man City 4-1 yesterday though. Oh my word. What am I doing? Wolves in the Europa League. No, they're not. Okay, that's fine. Also, we're in England, we play Sterling. I'm playing professional, 5 minutes. In terms of offers off transfer window, we are going to do. They have our own stadium, which is good. I don't have any mods in this, so I can't like do player faces, I can't do any of that stuff. But yeah, I am got So FIFA, which is a really good place to find really good players for transfers and see what rating we are. So I have that on screen. We are going to look at the free agents. Try and sign some, and yeah. I don't have anybody I want to sign at the moment because I don't know how good their squad is. So yeah. I'm sure there's some really good players. Ooh, I'm out of space. What do I want to get rid of? You guys cannot see this because you do not need to see it. Let's get rid of this one. I'm just gonna call this Wolves. Wolves. Food. And let's get straight into this. I'm not gonna do a free season tournament. I might do in future seasons. I'm only gonna be doing 4 to 5 seasons in this. I want to try and get in the top 2. Try and win the Europa League and maybe get near the Champions League and all that stuff. However, we're gonna go to here. Don't need to know about any of this. Let's look at the squad. So we have Willian Jose up front. He's on loan, I believe. We've got Neto on the left and Adam Traore on the right. And we got what's his name? Nelson Semedo on the right. Something never, I can't remember. Zalmantinho. I'm not going to try and pronounce that name. Sias, I'm guessing. Connor Cody and Willy Bolly. And then Patricio, I don't know. And go. Oh, we've got Jimenez. Oh, because he's out injured, isn't he? So it won't be in the. Okay. Willian Jose will be on the bench. And there's a few players that I think I'm going to look to get rid of in this. 96 posting, 24 years of age though. It's kind of OP. How old is Jimenez? 29. Okay. So I'm not going to go with the 3 at the back in this. Although I should probably stick with their formation, I'm not going to. I'm going to go with the, where is it? I can never know what it's called. Where is it? Here. No. What the heck is it? This one, 433 flat. His eyes is gonna come out. I think I'm gonna bring in Dendonka. You are left wing back, that's fine. Yeah, right wing back, that's fine. Make sure all these players in position. Bring you all the way up top. And yeah. So we're going to have a keeper on the bench. I'm not going to get rid of that. However, I'm going to go ahead and shortlist some of these players. Morgan Gibbs-White. He's so young and high potential. He's actually OP. So I believe Willian Jose is on loan. He is 28 years old. I'm gonna go through to the squad hub and I'm gonna shortlist some of these players and I'm gonna go ahead and do some contracts. I believe a lot of them are expiring. Yes, quite a lot. Oh, this is gonna hurt our money. Yeah, Willian Jose, Rivera and Nuri, I want to say, are on loan. And then obviously there's these other players who shouldn't be too expensive to redo their contracts. So I'm going to get into that and I'll be back in a second. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and look at free agents of Canva. Actually, let me show you who I've shortlisted and stuff first. Okay, so if I go over to the transfer hub, see, I haven't transferred anyone. We've got Johnny, we're going to sell. He's worth 23 million, and I'm going to play Alright Nuri, I think his name is. He's got big potential, and he's on loan at the moment, so I could sign him coming January. We've also shortlisted Samuels, Sondergaard, Wang, Campbell, and Corbianu. So I'm going to go ahead and go and find some free transfers. I'm looking at a centre back because I'm also going to sell Willy Bolly. I know, legend, but we need to strengthen up our defence. I don't want players being 50 years old. Let me take this down to 24. We'll go 25, why not? If I'm going to go... There's only one dude. Are you serious? No, I don't think that's supposed to happen. What? 26? Only 2 people? What? You know what? I won't put centre back on. It's only these. What? What has happened here? Where the heck is defender? There's seriously no one. Suppose it is quite early in the season, so I don't think there will be any. There's one person I'm gonna look at. Let me just find him on FIFA. He's 71 overall, 85 potential. He's gonna be worth 4.1 million. He's also got release clause for 10 million, but I don't think we're gonna need to pay him. His name is Tanguy Ndomble. No, I'm joking. Tanguy. Where is he? Where's Karashi? Huh? Tanguy. Oh, it's this dude. His last name is different. There we go. This is the dude. 71 overall, 85 potential. No, he's just joined. I could go to get a loan on him though. I think I might try a loan to buy. He's 6'2". He's good. Is there anybody else? Let me take a look here. Oh, it's so annoying that he's just joined. Obviously there's a lot of other people that I could go for. Another one I'm also looking at is called... Where is it? So I do want to go for like players from like Premier League clubs. However, this dude, Toribo, he's a legend in one of oh, he's on loan as well. No way. There's no way. How could you do this to me, game? So yeah, Alright Nuri has 86 potential, so we're probably gonna be keeping him. I thought Toribo was gonna be a beast for us, but obviously not. William Saliba, we could go for him. I think he's on loan to Nice as well. Yep, on loan. All really good players on loan. It's kind of annoying. Kabak, he's just joined Liverpool, hasn't he? So I don't think I'll sign him either. Yeah, he's just... Wait, he's on loan? Game, I don't think he's on loan. I don't think he's on loan, is he? Hold on. Is Kabak on loan to Liverpool? No. Oh, a 6-month loan with an option to buy. Oh. Well, that's just messed up my plans. But anyway. Oh, what have we done there? Another player in mind. I think. Hold on. Looking here. I'm trying to look for somebody high rated as well. I mean, Eric Garcia, we could go for. Who else? There's not many young, talented defenders out there nowadays, is there? Most of there's loads of good ones, but they're all on loan and stuff. So yeah. We've got Eric Garcia. He is 19 years old. I can sign him for 5 million, so FIFA is saying. I believe. Garcia. So yeah, he's 75 overall and he's worth 11.5 million. And he's got a release clause of 23. No, he has no release clause on this. Neither does Nyanzu or Tangai Kurasi. What his actual name is. So yeah. Obviously Garcia is older in age. Tangai is 6'2". Garcia is 6 foot. Actually, how tall is Connor Cody? Because I believe he's not too tall, and I want somebody who can header the ball. And I don't think any of our up front players will be able to do that either. Connor Cody. How do I find out there? 6'1". 6'5" is Willy Wally. Jeez. Let me add him to the transfer list real quick. It's really sad. I will also do the developments. I'm not going to do that right now. The episode is now going to be longer than 15 minutes. Kind of worries me because I want to get a game done in this episode as well. So it looks like a game won't be played in this episode. However, in the next episode, there will be a game. But yeah. I think we're gonna wait for some offers to come in. We're also gonna put Moutinho on the bench because he's getting old and none of my midfielders have pace. So let's see if we can actually go to free agents and find a central midfielder. And of course, I cannot. Well, if I go to 27. Nope. Nope, not at all. Time to look at some midfielders now. So I'm gonna do this. And yeah. I might be back, I might not be back, I don't know what's gonna happen. Or I'll try using. Okay then. Ooh. Please say he's not online. Sir Bosley. Yes, he's not online. 38 million release was though. No. I can't pay that much for him. So what rating is he? Bosley. Sophie. He's worth 23 million. Yeah, maybe next season. when we get a bit more money. However, the other player is going to go for was Bellingham. So FIFA. I'm not sure if these 21 episodes are going to be interesting like any others. Ooh, he's 9.5 million, 74 rated. You know what? That's pretty beast. 88 potential as well. I think we're going to go with Garcia and Bellingham. We're going to add so much more to the team. Bellingham. Wait, did he just join though? I think he just joined though. Yeah, he did. Maybe we can get them both on loan, or maybe we can... I don't know. If we can't get Bellingham, I'm not sure what I'm going to do. Maybe Billy Gilmore from Chelsea. I don't want to sign too many OP players. But yeah, how do you say his name? Cam Avinga. That's how you say his name. He's 17 years old, 88 potential, 76 rated. Or Puig from Barcelona, could be a good one. But we're gonna try and loan these two. I'm gonna try and loan Bellingham first, because I can't buy him. But can we loan him? We can loan him, I can confirm. It's gonna be perfect. Absolutely perfect. Okay, so I'm editing this right now, and I realised I didn't make some of the clips that you see. The webcam is full because I forgot to include, record the gameplay on my PlayStation. I forgot to hit double tap and forgot to record it. So sorry inconvenience, but yeah, you guys can hear me, so you can picture of what's happening, and you're gonna see from my glasses what is on my gameplay. So sorry for that. I will try and make sure to record the video next time. But yeah, enjoy the video. Okay, so we're gonna go with a loan to buy option, because I want to maybe buy him at the end of the season if I can get him up to what overall is he now? 74. Maybe a 77, 78 rated. Okay, they're willing to do loan to buy. Let's do a year. They're happy with that. Wages, ooh. I mean, we'll take 60% just to make it so we can get him. But how much are we going to... Oh, what? I'm going to go with... How much do you think? Well, he's worth 9.5 on here. And obviously he's got big potential. So I'm going to go with 12 and a half. We'll go with that. And they say yes. Perfect. Now we're going to wait for Bellingham to accept it. He's 6'1" as well, which is really good. And he has 78 acceleration and 76 sprint speed, which is good for a 6'1" person. We do need to get his finishing up. He's only got 60 finishing. And if he's going to replace Moutinho, he's got to get up those ranks. So let's sim a few days. 6 wins. And we've got Bellingham. Perfect. We've also got players saying they're a bit surprised and that they're happy. And Connor Cody has welcomed us. Good to meet you. So we've got Bellingham now in the squad. Let's make sure he's actually 74 rated. Or higher would be nice. 74 rated. Perfect. Let's throw him straight in the squad. And then we're going to take Fabio Silva out for Moutinho. I also do want another midfielder for the bench. So potentially we can get one of them. What? Oh, it's 30 overall. So if you look at the pace, 63 pace, 77, 67. So Dendonka and Neves. Ruben Neves. I can't say it, I don't know why. However, we're going to go ahead and actually let's look at this first. So we're going to sign at least 2 players. Okay, That's probably not going to be done. Sign 1 veteran player. Okay. No objectives there. Finish your win the FA Cup. Nah, and then finish in the Europa League spot. And then reduce player wage by 9k. Ugh. That's gonna be hard. Oh, we're gonna start. We're gonna sim a few days now, and maybe we can actually get a video done in this game. This game in this video. Let's see if we've got any offers. We've got 2 offers. Give us a white loan offer and a Chelsea want Johnny. I think I might negotiate for about 32 million. So I know you've got money. Morgan gives white. I don't think I'm gonna get rid of him. Actually, you know, we'll think about that one after this. But we're gonna go and try and get 31 million out of Chelsea, and that will leave us with about 70 million. Actually, let's see what players they have. Is there any players we want? Cap is a 79 overall. Oh my word, they have done him dirty there. His value is 23 million. So okay. What position do you guys think we should get? Like, who's strong? I can't speak now. We should. I don't know. Don't want to weaken it. We want to stronger it. I don't know if I don't think that's a word. But I don't think we've got any other players we want. I mean, Hudson Doy. Don't think we want him. Strikers. No. I think we're just gonna take money here. So let's try and get 31.5 million out of him. And they said yes. After all, this is strict negotiation, so we could. Give us white. Now. 71 overall. You could put him on the bench, because it's good to have 2 midfielders on the bench. However, who would I drop out of it? Marcel, maybe? Yeah. Hold on. He is 31 overall age. So I think Gibbs White will go into the starting 11 there. And we're getting rid of Johnny now. So we could sign a world-class defender with the 71 million we're gonna have. So I'm trying to think. What midfielders are there? What's there? Sancho, but he's worth 62 million. We could go for him, but I don't think I want to. We've got Phil Foden. We could go for. He's worth 17 million. Has he sold? He is sold. And what a coincidence! We got an offer for Bayern Munich. So we'll take him. And that will also give us a bit more money. It's up for Delit, Alphonso Davies, Kvak, Saliba. With the I got 67 million. I'll get more from Willy Bolly selling. Don't you worry, guys. You know what? I won't do the development in this video. I'll do it off camera, but not in this video. I don't want it to take too long. Defenders wise, I don't know who I'm gonna go for. I could go for somebody like Joe Gomez from Liverpool, or I could go with somebody like, I don't know. Oh, I thought it was a climb that. Okay, you've got a Jimenez offer and a Corbenu. So I'm just gonna go delegate, go on loan. But the Jimenez offer though. Ooh. I don't think I'm gonna get rid of him this season. So we're gonna sell Jimenez later in the season probably, or let him retire here. Oh, don't wanna decline that, wanna accept that. So I think we're gonna go and sign a world class defender, as Willy Bolly has now gone. Now for world class defender now. Who do we want to go for? We want to be somebody lower than that rated. Let's go to the Premier League. Because I can't actually think of anybody. Ryan Ashley, legend. Ben Davis. Ruben ooh, what rating is he? Is an 82 rated and 87 overall. He will cost us 41.5 million, according to this. Body, Kimpembe. Ooh, Marquinhos. Marquinhos. I can't say it now. Okay, so Canate. He's only 78 rated. Ooh, Klosterman, also a new, really good one. 80 overall. And he has 85 potential. And Canate has 88 potential. Mavropanos. I think. Oh, Nicolas Soule. Oh. He's played in the Bundesliga, guys. Upamecano. Oh my god. 82 rated, 87 potential. And then Upamecano. So FIFA. 81, 90 potential. I've only got to be up my. And Zagadou. Oh my god. 79 rated, 86 potential. Guys, surely we've got to go for Upamecano. Surely. Obviously, there's all of these awesome players. I want to go with a tall person again. So I'm sorry, Tanguy, but you're out of here. You already know the voting. 83 rated, and it's going to cost a lot. Zagadou though. I want a high defensive work rate player. You're medium, but I'll keep him. Upamecano, even though he's got 90 potential, other players can also get 90 potential by playing more seasons. So it's out of these dudes. I think it's going to be Canate here. And he's the cheapest one. It's going to be Canate, guys, surely. Although he's 78 rated, he's a beast. He's an absolute beast. I think it's got to be. I think it has to be him. Looking on here, it's got to be here. Team. Oh my word. Only 31 million left, but I don't care. We can still sign some great players with that. 5 years, gets in my team. No release clause, perfect. Ooh. Now I'm gonna get rid of a bonus. We'll add on 5 and we'll add on 20k. And we got him. Let's go. What rated is he? 78. Let's go. Wait, we only got Bellingham for 1 year. Oh yeah, because he's on loan. I'm so dumb. Whew. Those negotiations, man. Bruh. Let's throw in Canate. And let's throw you on the bench. Why do you want to say? Oh, okay. But yeah, this is our squad so far. This is a beast. Our defense is going to be really good. However, I think that's going to be the end of the video, guys. I'm going to sim up to the end of January and up to our next game. However, in the next episode, next Saturday, we're going to do this. Actually, I'm going to change it up a bit. If you've gone this far, you will now know that these episodes... Ooh. Interesting. Zagadou. Leipzig. No, Dortmund have. Wait, no, Leipzig have. Anyway, guys, in the next... I am now going to decide that these episodes will be coming out on a Saturday and... Wait for it. And a Thursday. So you've got a Wednesday video, but I have no clue what it will be, but it will be sorted. And you'll also have this and a Thursday video about this. So on Thursday, this has been uploaded on Thursday. So yeah, don't wait until, what am I saying? Go ahead and wait till Saturday to see us play Southampton away from home with our new team. We did get a Troy offer, but obviously we're not going to sell him, so I ignored it. However, we're going to go into the Southampton game next episode. So thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, blah blah, and I'll see you guys in the video. We're going to play Southampton. Bye.